I got some exciting news. On my Facebook, I already shared it, but for my Dutch people, I am giving some workshops on the paper passion. It's an event on the 18th, 19th and 20th of October, and Document Life Stories will be there, and I will give workshops every single day. Oh, that's the wrong one. I wanted to show you on the website. Go to, zoom out a bit, categories, then workshops and crops, over to the right, click, and here you can see the 18th, the 19th and the 20th. Yay! I hope to see you there. So I thought I would show you a little bit about uploading my videos. When you go over here, oh there, with the arrow and the dash line underneath, click on top of it, you get this screen. Here it says public, but I will go to planned and then choose my video, and then you get this. Some things are already prepared. I have to make my title, set it on the day which it goes live. That's the 13th of September on 7 a.m. 7, there it is. And I want it to be in my creative vlog album. So yeah, that's how I upload my videos. I just have to add a description, sorry, and the right title. And then it's done. Another vlog for you up tomorrow. Well, of course, when you watch this one, it has already been up, but yeah. today I have been working on my scrap space. You have seen me work on that. I cleared my desk, as you can see, and I made my Alex drawers. Well, I didn't make them. I put them in the right position, and I put my silhouette and my typewriter on top. There's my bag for the weekend, and currently I'm printing pictures because I will have a live video in 15 minutes. I didn't print my pictures yet, so that's what I had to do, and I'm doing that now. I will be working with one of the Document Life Stories kits. I don't think, I know for sure that's gonna be iridescent. And I'm gonna be working with some pictures of my little niece. So yeah, I will try and take you along with the live video just a little bit. So yeah. So my setting is ready. My light is on. My tripod is over there. And my computer is standby too. Pictures printed, kit ready. And now I just have to put my phone up there to start filming.